In this video, we will compare two of the most popular high-performance CPUs on the market, the AMD Ryzen 75800X and the Intel Core i7-12700K. We'll dive into their specifications, performance benchmarks, and overall value to help you determine which processor is the right choice for your next build. Both CPUs offer impressive capabilities, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the AMD Ryzen 75800X excels in gaming scenarios, particularly at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Its 8 cores and 16 threads provide a solid balance for both gaming and productivity tasks. On the other hand, the Intel Core i7-12700K boasts a higher core count with 12 cores, including 8 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, making it a powerhouse for multi-threaded applications. This means that for tasks like video editing or 3D rendering, the i7-12700K can outperform the Ryzen 75800X significantly. In terms of pricing, the AMD Ryzen 75800X is currently priced at $449, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers and users looking for high performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Intel Core i7-12700K comes in at $496, which might be a consideration for those on a tighter budget. While the i7-12700K offers more cores, the price difference could sway budget-conscious buyers towards the Ryzen 75800X. Thermal management is another critical aspect to consider. The AMD Ryzen 75800X generally runs cooler under load, which can be advantageous for users who prefer quieter systems or have limited cooling solutions. In contrast, the Intel Core i7-12700K has a higher thermal design power, TDP, of 125W, which means it can run hotter and may require more robust cooling solutions to maintain optimal performance. This difference in thermal output is essential for users who plan to overclock or run intensive applications. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 75800X and Intel Core i7-12700K have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're focused on gaming performance and budget, the Ryzen 75800X is an excellent choice. However, if you need superior multi-threaded performance and don't mind the extra cost and heat, the i7-12700K is a fantastic option. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.